Hello, and welcome to Weil-McLain's Tech Tip Videos. I'm Brian, and today we will take a quick look at our GV90 Plus spoiler and the diagnostic lights on the control module. Now, the indicator lights on the module basically give a very simple view of the boiler status. As you can see here, we have a power, T-stat circ, limit, pressure switch, flame, and low water cutoff light. Now, at times, one or more of these lights may be flashing. These codes are spelled out in the manual, but today we will be looking simply at each light and whether it is on or off. Their operation is very simple to understand. If the power light is not on, there is no power being supplied to the module. If the T-stat circ light is not on, the thermostat circuit is not closed. The lights represent the sequence of operation. If a light is not on, the sequence stops right there. Which brings us to the limit light. Although it might seem obvious, we get a lot of calls on this particular issue. If the limit light is not on, there is an open limit. The sequence is stopped. So, we must determine which safety device in the limit circuit is open. Fortunately, there are only two devices in the limit circuit on the GV90 in the Series 2 boiler. Series 1 has an aquastat in the limit circuit, but the schematic clearly shows what device is in each particular version. Looking at the wiring diagram, we can see the limit circuit has a flue gas thermal fuse and a block temperature limit switch. A water temperature control or aquastat is also in the limit circuit on the Series 1. The easiest way to determine which is open would be to jump across each device. If the limit light comes on, that device is open. So let's start with the flue switch. Simply unplug the connector from the sensor and insert a piece of thermostat wire to jump the yellow wires. If the light comes on, the switch is open and needs to be replaced. If that did not bring on the limit light, jump across the aquastat if you have a Series 1 boiler. Keep in mind, if the temperature of the boiler is above the setting on the aquastat, it will remain open until the temperature drops below the setting. If the aquastat is not the issue, jump across the block temperature switch. If the limit light comes on, that safety device has opened and will need to be replaced. So, as you can see, there's not much to diagnosing and repairing the limit light error. Just determine what devices are in the limit circuit and find out which one is opened. Well, thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye out for new videos so we can help you keep your customers happy.